Hi, this is Mike Sheehan, and you wanted to know what a whole life insurance policy is. A whole life is, as the name implies, is meant to last your whole life, all right, with no surprises on the back end. But it's much, much more. Now, I'm going to give you just a couple minutes here, even less than that explanation. So again, whole life is if structured correctly, and the premium is structured correctly in relation to the death benefit, should last your whole life, again, without any surprises. And part of the reason that it can do this is there is a side bucket of cash that's accumulating. Part of your premium that you're paying into the whole life is going into this side bucket, and it's growing, and it's being credited by the insurance company. So it's growing. Okay, it's not just your money, but it's being credited interest by the insurance company. And what you're going to be able to do in the future with that is pretty much twofold. All right, at least what I've seen, and I do own whole life policies. One is as you get older, you may reach a point where you still need the life insurance part, but you really don't want to pay the premium anymore. Well, now you could take that cash value, and you're basically going to tell the insurance company, say, hey, I'm going to use my cash value to handle the expenses of the policy to keep the policy in force. So it's a great option because maybe you were paying $100, $200, $300 a month, and now you don't have to because the cash value is going to satisfy the expenses of the policy and still have the death benefit. Again, structured to last until you pass away. And you know what? None of us are getting out of here alive. Secondly, depending on the amount of cash, some people use a whole life policy as a tool to accumulate wealth, to build cash that they're going to use as income. Because the significance of this is when you take cash out of a whole life insurance policy, it's not earned passive or portfolio income, so it doesn't show up on your tax return, and it's tax free. So very significant. So that's basically the aspects of a whole life policy. Where it's going to fit for you, I don't know because we've never met. What I suggest is you go to the lower left and you'll see www.yourlifeinsurance411.com, or you'll see the link below the video. Click it. It's going to take you to my webpage. There you can put in your name, your phone number, and your email address, and there's a button there that says quote me. And click that, and it's going to it'll come back to me. I'll reach out. We'll give you a call. We can have a conversation, find out what your particular situation is, craft a plan for you, implement it, and we can do that all over the phone. All right. So again, go to the lower left, click that link, and then when it opens up to my web page, go to the right, put in your name, your phone number, your email address, and I look forward to talking with you real soon. Bye bye.